Welcome back to Learn Real Life English. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jane. It is great to be here with you all.
Jane, today we have a very serious topic. It is the battle of the future tense.
That sounds dramatic, Mike, but you are right. Today we are talking about will versus going to.
Students ask me this all the time. Mike, can I say I will eat pizza or I am going to eat pizza? Is there a difference?
And the answer is yes. There is a huge difference in feeling. If you use the wrong one, you might sound a little bit robotic or unnatural.
So let's make this simple. Jane, you start with going to.
Okay, we use going to for plans.
Plans?
Yes, things you decided to do before you started speaking. You thought about it yesterday or this morning. It is already in your schedule.
Got it. So if I bought a plane ticket to Paris last week, I would say, I am going to fly to Paris.
Exactly, because you planned it already. You cannot say, I will fly to Paris in this situation, because that sounds like you just decided right now, at this exact second.
Okay, so that leads us to will. Native speakers use will for spontaneous decisions.
Spontaneous means you make the decision at the moment of speaking. You didn't plan it. You are reacting to the situation right now.
Let me give you a classic example. Imagine the phone rings. Ring, ring.
I didn't plan for the phone to ring. It just happened.
So I say, I'll get it. I made the decision just now.
You would never say, I am going to get it, because you didn't know it was going to ring.
Exactly. Here's another one. Imagine we are at a restaurant. The waiter asks, what do you want to eat?
I haven't looked at the menu yet. I am thinking, okay, I will have the salad.
Perfect. You decided right now.
Now, Mike, we have to talk about pronunciation, because in real life, we rarely say, I will.
True. We usually use the contraction I'll. It sounds like the word aisle or aisle. I'll help you. I'll be there.
And for going to, we usually say,
Gonna. I'm gonna visit my mom.
okay, let's do a role play to test this.
Scene. Mike and Jane are sitting in a living room. Suddenly, there's a knock at the door. So, Jane, what are your plans for the weekend?
Well, I bought tickets yesterday, so I am going to see the new Marvel movie on Saturday.
Oh, nice. I haven't made any plans yet. Maybe I'll come with you.
You should. It's going to be great.
Knock, knock, knock.
Oh, someone is at the door.
Immediately. I'll get it. Sit down.
Thanks, Mike. Oh, wait, Mike, it's hot in here.
Really? Okay. I'll open the window too. End roleplay.
Okay, let's break that down.
First, Jane said, I am going to see a movie. Why? Because she bought the tickets yesterday. It was a plan.
Then Mike said, maybe I'll come with you. Why? Because he just thought of it. He's not sure yet. It's a spontaneous idea.
Then the knock at the door happened. I said, I'll get it. Immediate reaction.
And finally, I complained about the heat, and Mike said, I'll open the window. He offered to help right at that moment.
Easy, right? Going to equals I planned this before. Will equals I just decided now.
One last thing, Mike. What about predictions, like the weather?
For predictions, you can actually use both. It will rain tomorrow and it is going to rain tomorrow are both fine.
Phew, that makes it easier. But for plans versus decisions, stick to the rules we just taught you.
All right, guys, your homework. In the comments, tell us one thing you are going to do this weekend, a plan.
And tell us one thing you will do right now, a spontaneous decision. Maybe, I will like this video.
Yes, I hope you will subscribe too. Thanks for listening to Learn Real Life English.
See you next time.